how to complete a weekly report envelope for the campaign chairs. Upon receiving your department's white pledge form with donations form, individuals, and hosted special events, you are going to fill out your weekly report envelope. You'll begin with filling out your name, phone number, drop-off date, which will be the date you are dropping it off at the bank. Once you are finished with all the basics, you'll begin your total section. Before you get started, it's always a good form of measure to double-check your pledge forms to make sure all necessary information is complete, such as, did the donor sign and date the pledge form? Is it indicated how the pledge will be deducted? And lastly, verify that all the totals add up. After you're done reviewing the pledge forms, you'll get started on number of donors. For each type of pledge, you'll be doing separate counts. So, for example, if you have 2 donors that gave by cash or check and 10 donors that gave payroll deductions, you would put a 2 in the number of donors in row A and a 10 in row B. You will then total up each type of payment, separating the payments as they are listed on the envelope by cash checks, payroll contributions, and special events. Keep in mind the special events row is the entire total of the amount your department raised for the special event. You do not need a pledge form for donations raised at events, but you do need to fill out the box located under row D that says Description of Special Events. So let's say your department raised $100 at a special event. You would put that in row C under Total Amounts. Finally, the Paid Now column for payroll contribution is for instances when a donor gives a payroll deduction and a cash check donation as well. Now that you've completed all the logistics, you can seal the envelope. When you've completed this step, it's a good practice to make a copy of the weekly report envelope to keep for your own records. When you've done this, please deliver your envelope to your designated banking branch.